most coach training organizations are doing similar things, especially if we're accredited by an organization. Well, our coach training is accredited by the ICF, and therefore we need to and have a duty in order to bring the ICF competencies, professional standards, code of ethics into the room and into the learning of the coach. We are also accredited by the European Mentoring and Coaching Council, and that means we also have a responsibility to bring their capability indicators, their global code of ethics, which they're signatory on and instigator of, into the room, into the conversation. And you may wonder, like, what's the value in that for the learning coach? Well, the learning coach that learns through Transcend gets a much broader array of coaching perspectives. There is a much wider spectrum of learning that we bring into the room and into the life of the coach as we work with and balance those two organizational needs, as well as our own point of view. And that's probably maybe a really key Transcend differentiator. Before there was a lot of coach training, Transcend had developed their own point of view. And the ICF has evolved since then, the EMCC has evolved since then. So we've evolved with them, but also our point of view, deeply grounded and experienced over many years, is part of that. So there's a lot of coach training out there now that is really competency-based coach training. It will get you what you need to earn your credential with the ICF in many cases. What we've sought to do is have a point of view that undergirds and supports everything that we do in our coach training. So we see that the role of the coach is developing themselves, their own personal transformation, their own way of being shift, enables them to bring what they hoped to bring to the world through coaching, but even more as they understand the depth of the coaching interaction and become much more skilled than merely competent, I would say. So they will achieve what they need in order to pass what is needed for the ICF or the EMCC and achieve that level of accreditation that they desire. Obviously, they have to work and develop themselves along the way. But also, we create this space for them to develop their own practice. So again, there's organizations that train competency. There's organizations that train methodology. I would say that we do train competency and we do train methodology, but more importantly, we help the coach develop so that they can develop the practice that supports what they want to bring to the world through coaching, so that they can have the impact through others that they really want to have as a coach.